Okay, hi everybody. So this video here is going to be an example of some difference of squares factoring. And when I take a look at this question here, I've got my two terms. I've got the subtraction in between, so I know that I'm primed for this to be a difference of squares here. Now, but when I look at them, note that 8x squared, 72. Well, those aren't perfect squares. Now that actually doesn't really stop me from pushing forward here. But what I'm going to do before I actually use kind of brute force and make this into a difference of squares, I'm just going to take a quick look into it and say, is there anything common that I can take out here? And it turns out, yeah, there is. There's a common factor of 8. And once I pull out the common factor of 8, I get x squared minus 9. And now I look at the binomial that I've got left over. I've still got two terms. It's still got subtraction between, but this is now more clearly a difference of squares. So I'm going to break that up. I take the square root of the first term, x, and then I'm going to have subtract, plus, and again, the order doesn't really matter there. And then the square root of 9 is going to be 3. And so I've got 8 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. And again, I've got the binomial conjugates there, so I know those middle terms are going to cancel out. And so, yeah, there's the factoring for 8x squared minus 72.